Hey everybody. So you want to go camping? That's great. It's like staying in a hotel, but with more dirt and no room service menus. Just kidding. Camping is an amazing way to reconnect with nature, breathe fresh air, and roast marshmallows. But before you head out into the wilderness, you gotta pack the right stuff. I once forgot my sleeping bag on a camping trip. I ended up cuddling with a skunk. Definitely not recommended. So let's dive into the essentials for a successful camping trip. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even shed a tear. Of joy, of course. First things first, you need a tent. This is your home away from home, your fortress of solitude, your personal bubble of bug-free bliss, hopefully. Choose a tent that's big enough for you, your stuff, and your crew. Remember, if you're bringing your pets, factor them in too. Select the proper size tent so you will have ample space. You don't want to end up sleeping like sardines in a can. And trust me, setting up a tent can be an adventure in itself. Just take your time, follow the instructions, take a deep breath, and don't be afraid to ask for help. You've got this. Now let's talk about the most important part of camping. Food. No, not room service, silly. I'm talking about camping food. Pack things that are easy to cook and won't spoil quickly. Think trail mix, granola bars, canned goods, pre-prepared camping meals, and of course, marshmallows. You can't have a campfire without marshmallows. It's like going to a party and not dancing. And don't forget the snacks. Chips, popcorn, chocolate, whatever your heart desires. Just remember to pack it in, pack it out. No one likes a litter bug, especially Mother Nature. Okay, safety first. Camping is all fun and games until someone gets lost in the woods or eaten by a bear. Just kidding. Mostly. But seriously, pack a first aid kit, insect repellent, sunscreen, and a whistle. And always let someone know where you're going and when you'll be back. It's like texting your mom when you go out, but for nature. Oh, and beware of poison ivy. It's not as fun as it sounds. Trust me. All right, now for the fun stuff camping gear. You'll need a sleeping bag, a headlamp, a camping stove, and a cooler. And don't forget the Swiss Army knife. It's like the superhero of camping tools. If you're feeling fancy, you can also bring camping chairs, a portable charger, and maybe even a hammock. Just remember, the more you bring, the more you have to carry. Choose wisely, my friends. Ah, the campfire. The heart and soul of every camping trip. There's nothing quite like gathering around a crackling fire, sharing stories, and roasting marshmallows. Remember to follow campfire safety rules. Keep water and a shovel nearby, and never leave a fire unattended. And don't forget to sing campfire songs. It's not required, but it's highly encouraged. This is a big one, folks. We gotta respect Mother Nature. That means packing out everything you pack in. No trash left behind, please. And be mindful of your surroundings. Don't disturb the wildlife and stay on marked trails. We're guests in nature's home, so let's be respectful guests. Speaking of wildlife, let's talk about bears. Yes, bears. They're cute and cuddly from afar, but you don't want to get too close. Store your food properly and make noise while you hike to avoid surprising any furry friends. And if you do encounter a bear, stay calm, don't run, and slowly back away. Think of it as a very slow, very quiet dance-off. You got this. That's it, folks. You're ready to conquer the great outdoors. Just remember to relax, have fun, and embrace the unexpected. Camping is all about making memories, connecting with nature, and maybe even learning a thing or two about yourself. And who knows? You might even discover a hidden talent for building fires or identifying bird calls. The possibilities are endless. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable camping experience. And before we wrap up, if you've found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Also, please consider checking out the links in the video description below for cool camping-related stuff. Your support helps us bring more amazing camping content your way. Look out for more adventures and tips by subscribing and staying connected with us. Let's keep exploring together. Happy camping!